So these are lights that I got. They're the LED 4000K. I ordered them off Amazon. They're really easy to install, no tools required. The 4000K gives you that white look, that white light, and they also come with this adapter. So everything you need to install it is in this box. This is what they look like. It comes with the adapter. I think it's a T20 adapter, but it comes with everything you need. So I'll show you guys how easy it is to install it. You don't need any tools. Should only take a couple minutes. First, you gotta take out your light bulb. Next, you're gonna pull down in this housing. There's these little clips right here. You're gonna pinch. It'll release. You can see right there. That's the clips that we're gonna be using. You just pinch these two things together and it comes out. Then pinch right here, and this releases. Really easy. So now we have this screwed in, and all we have to do is reinstall these little gator clips. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
It looks good? Okay, let's see how easy this is. Pinch these together, insert it, like that. Do the same thing on this side. And then this thing just pushes right back up. Nice clean look. Now let's go test it out. What do you think? Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's how easy it is. You don't even need any tools. It can be done with just your hands. Ordered these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the video where you guys can get these. I bought this 12 pack, so there's 12 units. So it's 3 boxes that have 4 of these in each one, but you can also click on that link and then you can pick how many you want. This is the 4000K. They also have 5000K, which gives you that really, really bright white blue kind of light. This 4000K is more like a daylight. It's kind of more of like a pure white. The 3000K gives you more of the warm look. So most of the stuff that you see nowadays is kind of easy in a kitchen. It has that bright white look, but it's not too bluish. It's that 4000K. So put a link in the video for it. You guys like it, subscribe. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bless you. Oh man. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you guys in the next build.